know what you're saying. Rob, why did you just do that? Why did you film that? Is there a point to this? Yes, there is. I'm going to show you right now. Here's what my problem is. And it's my problem. I'm about to solve it, though. And to say I'm embarrassed sometimes about doing this is an understatement. But I think I'm going to solve that. And I guess, or I think, probably many of you are in the same position I'm in. Whatever you find flat, you're going to jack your trailer up on it. So let me get this 5,000 pound capacity that is way more than I need. Look how far I have to go. Still going, and I'm cranking it fast. Still going. That's too much. And look what I'm doing. It's just an old paver. And it's already broken several times. It causes me problems. So, hey, you know what? So then I tried to solve that problem this way. I got a block. Okay, well, let's try that. Hey, not bad, not bad. Except that, let me show you. That's what old blocks do. They split in half. That's why we don't use this. Why do I always use this? And then I'm looking for another one, and I'm looking for another one, and then it's too much trouble. And look at how far I've already cranked down. So now I'm gonna crank up all the way, which is, you don't want to be cranking and cranking and cranking. Let me show you this. Let me get you up here on the truck. The Scotsman's nice, isn't it? All right, our friends at Ox Blox trailer jack blocks. Now, a lot of people ask me to do these for them. And I go and I watch what they have put out on their social media. And when they said, hey, what one do you want? What's the bottom of your jack look like? Is it a rectangle? Is it a wheel? What is it? And I pretended I didn't know. And I said, oh, just a rectangle foot. No problem. And then they show pictures of people, bam, hitting it with a sledgehammer. You're not going to hit it with a sledgehammer, are you? No, you're not. But I did kind of trick them a little bit. And I haven't tried this yet. Because I'm like you guys. I don't have a foot on mine. I don't have a wheel on mine. It's just that round. Maybe I should do better and get those. But we're going to test it that way because that's going to put 10 times more pressure with just that round without having the wheel or anything else on it. So, all right. First, let's see what it looks like. I mean, I've seen it online, but this is the first of the unboxing. Oh, wow. This is heavy. Look at this. They may have outsmarted me. You see that? They may have outsmarted me. Let's try it. Let's see how good this is. Look at how tall it is. I don't have to crank all the way down. I was just going to say, this ain't going to break. I don't know. Let's find out. We're not going to hit it with a hammer. We're going to put the full weight and force of the Scotsman on the round straight in. Let's do it. All right, Ox Blox, do or die. What do you got for me? Oh, I think they may have outsmarted me. This goes right in to that. Let's see. Let's see if it can take it. It's putting the pressure on it. You can see it settling on that gravel right there. Well, shoot. Well, not shoot. I mean, we're up off the tongue just like that. That's kind of rude, wasn't it? Let me see. Hey. Ox Blox. I'm telling you right now, link in the description, that's the way to go. They even, when I thought I was going to pull one over on them, get one over on them, they were way ahead of me, had that circle. They were ready for anything. Even somebody like me that doesn't put a foot or a wheel on their jack. Ox Blox. Listen, I'm digging it. I'm digging it.